Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you set up 2FA on Discord or two-factor authentication on Discord mobile. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me at the start. So of course we're going to use the Discord app for this process, so go ahead and open your store and make sure we have the Discord app updated, or at least have one of the newer versions. Once you make sure that is done, you quit from here, and then we still need another app, so just search for Authenticator, and we're gonna need this Google Authenticator right here. Go ahead and install this one right there. As you can see, I have it installed. Now let's go ahead and open the Discord app and make sure you're all logged in, and then from here you go to settings, so tap on your profile in the bottom, and then you tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, and then from here you go ahead and tap on account, and then in account you go ahead and tap on enable authenticator or authenticator app right there, the third option in here. As you can see, it's gonna tell you to download an app. Anyways, once you have downloaded it already, you just go ahead and tap on next. So of course we have chosen Google Authenticator. From here, just go ahead and tap on copy. So copy this code that they give you right here. And then once you copy it, you go to the Authenticator app, the Google Authenticator app right here. You will get a plus in the bottom. Obviously, it's not gonna let me record for security reasons. Anyways, you get a plus in the bottom, that's button, that when you tap, you get to paste that code. Once you do that, you can name the security code that will be get right there. You can name it Discord or anything. In my opinion, you should name it Discord for security reasons, of course. Anyways, once you go ahead and get done with that, basically name it and then paste the code, they will give you a code that you can paste in Discord now. So you copy the code that the Authenticator app gives you, and then you go ahead and tap on next, and it should be pasted automatically. From here you go ahead and put in your password for an extra step of security right here. Once you're done, you should be good to go. As you can see guys, 2FA is activated. You can tap on done right here and you should be good to go. As you can see guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you so much for watching.